Kailangan mo ba ng copy ng iyong birth certificate, marriage certificate, death certificate, or Zenomar? You can have it anytime, anywhere. So please keep on watching, Madlang Felas. Okay, Madlang Pilas, punta po tayo sa ating browser. Type po natin PSA birth certificate. Then, pili po tayo PSA helpline, appointment psa.gov.ph, or PSA Servilis. Ako po, Servilis po yung gagamitin ko. Okay, basahin po natin yan. Scroll down and click Got It. Ito yung mga certificate na pwede nating i-request ng copy sa PSA Servilis. Ako, birth certificate ang kailangan ko. So, click po natin yung birth certificate. 330 pesos per copy of issuance. Click I agree. Click I agree sa data privacy. Then click next. Click yes if may correction yung certificate na nire-request. And then click no if wala. Click yes if may na-request ka na copy ng birth certificate before. And click no if wala pa. Then click next. Okay, sa pagre-request ng PSA birth certificate sa Servilis ay may 5 steps. First, request details birth certificate. Second, requesters and delivery details. Third, summary. Fourth, acknowledgement. And fifth, payment. Okay, dito tayo sa first step, request details. So, certificate type, birth certificate, number of copies, pwedeng 1 to 12 copies. Okay, dito sa certificate details, fill up natin yung form. So, last name, first name, middle name, place of birth, country, place of birth, province, place of birth, municipality. Date of birth. So, month, date, and year yung format niya. Sex. Of course, if you are female, click female. And if you are male, click male. Father's last name, father's first name, father's middle name, mother's maiden last name, nung pagkadalaga pa ito nung mother mo. Relationship to the owner. Ako, self kasi para sa akin tong birth certificate na to. Then click no kasi hindi naman itong document nito is for delivery to an embassy or government agency. Purpose of request. Okay, so ako for claims benefit / loan, yung purpose kaya ako nagre-request. Then click next. Okay, second step, requesters and deliver details. So, requesters last name, first name, middle initial, then email address, mobile number, delivery address, province, city, or municipality. Barangay, address line, zip or postal code. Then click Next. Confirm if the following details are correct: requester's name, delivery address, contact number, email address. Note, delivery schedule is 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday except holidays, and then click Confirm. Now, third step, summary request. So, check the summary and then click Next. Step, acknowledgement. So, contact and delivery info. Request summary, then proceed payment. Last step, payment. So, fees, 330 pesos per copy ng birth certificate, marriage certificate, and death certificate, while 430 pesos per copy of Senomar. So, click Pay Now. Select your payment method by clicking on the logo below. So, ako, GCash yung gagamitin ko. Click natin yung logo ng GCash. And then, didiretso na siya sa GCash account mo. Click Next. So, enter yung 6-digit authentication code. May marireceive tayong text. Click Next. Then log in or enter your 4 digits. Then click Next. Review to ensure that the details are correct before you proceed. If correct, click Pay 330 pesos. Click Proceed. So, ganun lang kadali, madlang felas. Successful na yung PSA birth certificate na request natin. Makaka-receive din tayo ng email acknowledgement. Hope may natutunan po kayo sa video natin today. And if yes, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have comments or suggestion, you can comment down below. Malay niyo po, sa susunod na video, yung requested video niyo po ang isi-share natin sa iba. Lagi niyo pong tatandaan na kayo po yung nagpapasaya sa akin, kaya hindi po ako magsasawa mag-upload ng video para sa inyo. See you on my next video, madlang pelas! Good luck!